Good day, ladies and gentlemen. This is IRC News, and I am Joel Stephen, an authorized Canadian immigration practitioner, bringing out this data analysis release. Today is the 19th of August, 2023, and we are coming to you from the Polinsys Studios in beautiful Pleasant Point, Nova Scotia. This video may be of interest to foreign nationals and Canadian temporary residents targeting work permits or employer-driven programs. This data is about NOC code 93200, aircraft assemblers and aircraft assembly inspectors. It is for 15 years from 2006 onwards. This class of work permit is issued by the Canadian government if selected by a Canadian employer for a position inside Canada. This important data will give you some understanding on the number of number of people selected by employers and the work permit processed every year since 2006. Between 2006 and 2013, there was no work permits issued for this NOC code, but in 2014, they issued one work permit for this NOC code. 2015, 2 work permits were issued in this NOC code. 2016, 2 work permits again was issued in this NOC code. 2017, 20 work permits were issued in this NOC code. 2018, 24 work permits were issued in this NOC code. 2019, 151 work permits were issued. 2020, year of the COVID, 9 work permits were issued. Okay. Now, if you have experience in NOC code 93200 and hold the job title as an aircraft assembler or aircraft assembly inspectors, and you are interested in learning about the process of participating in Canadian federal or provincial immigration program for this specific NOC code, or if you require assistance after being selected, we encourage you to reach out to us at myar.me/contact-us. Our team will be pleased to assist you in navigating the immigration process professionally.
This general data analysis video is brought to you by IRC News. Please subscribe to this channel for more Canadian job opportunities, data analysis, and immigration news. If you want to become a Canadian permanent resident, you can learn more by attending the free online YouTube videos, the links of which are now posted on your screen, polinsys.com/p. Your Canadian authorized representative also conducts a free weekly Q&A session every week on Fridays. For time and Zoom meeting credentials, please visit this website, or which you can see on your screen, myar.me. Please follow guidance from the Canadian government about who can charge fees for Canadian immigration services. The redirect link which you can see on your screen now, polinsys.co/rep, will lead you there. If you want to obtain a free multiple approaches Canadian PR evaluation directly from a Canadian authorized representative, then myar.me/evaluationxx can assist you. Also, feel free to visit our social media platforms on Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube. From all of us at IRC News, and especially from your Polinsys team, we thank you for watching. If you like this news, please like this video. And if you want to receive notifications about more Canadian job positions, then please subscribe to this channel.
But life still goes on. I want some help, Polinsys, Polinsys, Polinsys by my side. I don't want to live alone. Hey, can it do?